केंद्र सरकारकडून नॅशनल हेराल्ड प्रकरण अतिशय अलोकशाही पद्धतीने हाताळणं सुरू आहे, अशी टीका काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष अमित पाटकरांनी केली आहे। गुरुवारी देशभरातील सर्व राजभवनांच्या बाहेर केंद्र सरकारच्या निषेधार्थ काँग्रेसकडून मोर्चा काढण्यात येणार आहे, अशी माहिती पाटकरांनी दिली आहे।
आणि ज्या हिशोबान हे सरकार ज्या पद्धतीने अनडेमोक्रेटिक वे जे चल्ला, आय थिंक इट इज बॅड फॉर द कंट्री। आज दनपारा अबाउट 12:15 सुमार पुलिस मार्च इनटू अवर AICC हेडक्वार्टर्स इन दिल्ली। इतले अनडेमोक्रेटिक जाला की पुलिस अक्षरशः आमचे AICC ऑफिसां भितर घुसले, थंय आमचे ऑफिस बेररांक तांणी मारले आणि अक्षरशः तांकां उबारून घेवन गेले भितरल्यान, लाठीचार्ज करून ऑफिसा भितरल्यान। तसेच आमचे बाकीचे लिडर्स लायक दीपेंद्र हुडा, ताका हाऊस अरेस्ट केला। ही इज नॉट अलाउड टू मूव आउट ऑफ हिज हाऊस। सम टाइम बॅक आमचो दुसरो लीडर सचिन पायलट, ताका डिटेन केला। काल आमचे सगळे सिनियर लीडर्स तांकां डिटेन केला। इवन some of our female leaders, in fact member of parliament also have been undemocratically manhandled. So the way things are moving in our country is not good. तो म्हणता की हे in different manner assets सगळे गांधी परिवाराच्या नावार ट्रान्सफर केले। So I want to ask him, we have got 2014 and 2019 election affidavit of both Rahul Gandhi and Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji. So if those assets have been transferred in their name, why they are not reflected in election affidavit? So this false allegation of BJP, what they are trying to portray in the country, I think it is very bad for the democracy of our country, and the way, in the manner which is being done is absolutely wrong. We condemn such act by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and I think they should stop this immediately and focus on the burning issues of our country rather than politicizing a issue actually where it doesn't have any substance. Issue nastana issue create kela. That newspaper was actually, I mean, in 1937 this newspaper was formed by all the freedom fighters that time, की लोकांचो जो आवाज असा तो फुल देशभर वचचो इंडिपेंडन्स लागून, ह्या दृष्टिकोनान तो पेपर काडिल्लो। आणि ते लोन जे दिले तातूंतले मॅक्सिमम 67 crore rupees was given to pay all the salaries and VRS of the staff. तुमच्या भितरले भाव असतले, भयणी असतल्यो, who were working for that newspaper. So तांची सॅलरी दिवप, तांचे VRS टीव्हीच्या अंडर पैसे दिवप गुन्हो इज अ क्राइम इन अवर कंट्री. In fact, I think Election Commission also had given a clean sheet that there is no illegality which has happened. And under Section 25, Young India is a non-profit organization, it's a non-profit company. So where the question comes that these assets have been transferred to Gandhi family, that is what I am not able to understand. I think BJP should come clear, because in election affidavit it is not mentioned. If they are claiming that assets जे आसा ते transfer केले in the name of Gandhi family, then why are they not reflecting in the election affidavit? I think this is just an issue out of nothing they are trying to create just to politicize it, and we condemn such incidents. And I think this undemocratic way, the way they are being detaining our leaders, they are being manhandled, they are being lathi charged, I think this should stop on immediate basis.